DJ Delz.
Welcome to a brand new episode of the Delz Show. The Delz Show. Man, we see from the Young Bucks, they posted on their Twitter that they were moving up the release date on this right here. The Young Bucks New Japan Pro Wrestling Funko Pop 2-pack of the Jackson brothers. Big fan of them. Love their in-ring work. Plus, I love, what they do. Their actual personalities. The Elite, the show they got on YouTube. Nick and Matt Jackson. Nick right there, it says, as you can see. And Matt right there. And there is a look at the back. They're also releasing another pack where they're wearing different outfits. I will link both of these in the description box below if you're looking for them. I will take this out of the box too right now. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button for that so you can see that detailed look. And once again, if you're looking for these, I will put that in the description box. I highly recommend you do not sleep on this because this is something where later on you're gonna wish you picked this thing up, so definitely don't sleep. Get it now before it's too late. And I ordered the Hardy Boys, but that never came in, man. I'm a little annoyed about that. Ordered it on Amazon, still waiting on that. Hopefully we'll get that soon. But let me adjust this camera. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, of course. And there's this bell next to where it says subscribe. Hit that. This way you don't miss out on any future content. And as you can see, they got that classic pose they do, man. I love it. And I had to hit you with that detailed look today because they did release today. So as you can see, you do have the Bullet Club branding right there. And it says Young Bucks on the leather jacket. They got the colorful tights with the strands hanging from their jackets and their pants, which is just a signature look for them both. And then we'll turn them to the side real quick. There's a look at them from the side. There's a look at them from behind. And once again, I just love the pose. That's just so classic with them, man. And we'll look at their other side real quick. Face to face. And there we go with a look at the Jackson brothers, the Young Bucks, or as Matt Hardy would say, the Bucks of Youth. Hit the thumbs up button if you haven't yet. I will put information if you're looking to pick these up in the description box below. Plus I'll list other Funko Pops I think you would love to pick up that I personally am digging. And speaking of what I dig, I did pick up the Dig'em Frog from Honey Smacks. Awesome pop. I will link that in the description box. Plus, I did get the giant Scrooge McDuck. I did a detailed look. Check out that review. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen or just check out the main page. But I definitely wanted to show you this today, being that it released. And thank you for watching. Let me know who your favorite wrestler is. Leave that in the comment box below. I'd love to know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Much love. We out.
So happy he's back.
Delete.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senior Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching movies. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
I think he spiked his limited. Oh, yes, DJ Delz. Absolutely wonderful.
Senior Benjamin.
Ready to a battlefield massacre.